Intro. AI tools are changing everything about how we work today. The best ones in 2026 will blow your mind completely. Stay with me and discover the top 5 right now. Step 1. First up is Claude by Anthropic, and it leads everything. This tool handles complex writing tasks with incredible human accuracy. It understands context better than almost any other AI tool. Businesses use it daily for reports, proposals, and creative content. Step 2. Next, we have Google Gemini Ultra, pushing boundaries every single day. It combines text, images, and code in one powerful place. You can analyze photos, generate ideas, and write code simultaneously. Many professionals call it their most productive daily work companion now. Step 3. Tool number 3 is Midjourney version 7 for stunning visuals. It creates professional quality images from simple text descriptions easily. Designers, marketers, and creators rely on it for breathtaking artwork. The realism in 2026 makes older versions look completely outdated already. Step 4. Coming in fourth is Runway ML for video creation needs. This tool turns your ideas into polished videos within minutes. You simply describe what you want, and it delivers beautifully. Filmmakers and content creators are saving thousands of dollars using this. Step 5. Fifth on our list is Perplexity AI for smart research work. It searches the internet and gives you accurate sourced answers fast. No more wasting hours digging through unreliable websites and pages. Students, researchers, and journalists absolutely love this powerful, intelligent tool daily. Outro. Try any one of these tools starting today without hesitation. Drop your favorite in the comments and share this video everywhere. Subscribe now because more amazing AI content is coming very soon.